Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q7 versus BMW X5. These two luxury SUVs offer distinct driving philosophies. The Audi Q7 prioritizes comfort and family practicality, providing a smooth ride and spacious interior. In contrast, the BMW X5 emphasizes a dynamic, engaging driving experience with a sportier feel. We will explore their performance, interior features, and overall driving dynamics to help you decide. When it comes to power, the BMW X5 generally holds an edge. Its base 3.0-liter inline-six engine produces 375 horsepower, accelerating to 60 miles per hour in as little as 4.4 seconds. The Audi Q7's base 2.0-liter four-cylinder offers 261 horsepower, reaching 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds. Both offer more powerful engine upgrades, with the Q7's V6 providing 335 horsepower and the X5's V8 delivering over 500 horsepower. Inside, the Audi Q7 is known for its spacious and comfortable cabin, offering standard seating for 7 passengers. It provides ample cargo room, with up to 69.6 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded. The BMW X5, while also luxurious, typically seats 5, with an optional third row available. It boasts slightly more maximum cargo space, up to 72.3 cubic feet, and features a driver-focused cockpit design. Ultimately, your choice depends on preference. The Audi Q7 excels in providing a refined, comfortable ride, perfect for families and long journeys, with its adaptive air suspension enhancing stability. The BMW X5, however, offers a more engaging and sporty driving experience, with its precise steering and firmer suspension appealing to enthusiasts. Both are exceptional luxury SUVs, but they cater to different priorities. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.